Tired of trying endless diets and still not getting rid of that stubborn stomach fat? Frustrated with expensive gym memberships that lead nowhere? If you're still struggling to get that flat stomach you've always dreamed of, this video will change everything. In today's video, I'll show you 7 simple exercises you can do right at home to finally get a flat stomach in just 1 month. And wait until you see exercise number 7. This often overlooked move is an absolute game changer for anyone who wants a flat stomach. Keep watching until the end to discover this hidden gem that will transform your workout routine. Let's start with the plank, one of the most effective exercises for achieving a flat stomach. When you perform a plank, you're engaging multiple core muscles simultaneously. The beauty of this exercise lies in its simplicity, but don't let that fool you. It's incredibly powerful for transforming your midsection. Start by lying on your elbows, making sure they're positioned directly beneath your shoulders. Your body should form a perfect straight line from your head to your heels. This is crucial for getting the most out of this exercise. Keep your legs straight and engaged throughout the movement. Many people make the mistake of letting their hips sag or lifting them too high, which reduces the effectiveness for getting a flat stomach. The key to a perfect plank is maintaining this straight position without any sagging or arching. Think about pulling your belly button toward your spine and squeezing your glutes. This not only helps you maintain proper form, but also intensifies the work on your core muscles. Perform 3 sets, holding for 30 to 60 seconds each. Remember, proper form matters more than duration, so if you feel your form slipping, take a brief rest and reset. Next up are mountain climbers, an incredible exercise that combines cardio and core work for maximum flat stomach results. This dynamic movement not only strengthens your core, but also helps burn the fat covering your abdominal muscles. Begin in a plank position with your arms fully extended. Your hands should be shoulder-width apart, and your body should form a straight line. Now, here's where the magic happens. Engage your core muscles as you quickly draw one knee towards your chest. The movement should be controlled but swift. Return that leg while simultaneously bringing the opposite knee in. Imagine you're running in place while maintaining a plank position. The faster you go, the more calories you'll burn, but never sacrifice form for speed. A common mistake is letting your hips bounce up and down. Keep them as stable as possible. This exercise is particularly effective because it engages your entire core while also elevating your heart rate. Perform 3 sets, each lasting 20 to 40 seconds. If you're just starting out, go slower and focus on maintaining proper form throughout the movement. Moving on to high knee marches, an excellent exercise that really targets your core while burning calories. This dynamic movement is perfect for anyone working towards a flat stomach because it combines cardio benefits with core engagement. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. Your posture is crucial here. Keep your back straight and your core engaged as you lift one knee as high as possible toward your chest. Focus on keeping your torso upright. This is where most people go wrong. They lean back, which reduces the work on their core muscles. Simultaneously, raise the opposite arm, creating a natural running motion. Lower your knee and arm back to the starting position, then immediately lift the opposite knee toward your chest while raising the other arm. The secret to making this exercise super effective for a flat stomach is maintaining tension in your core throughout the entire movement. Think about pulling your navel toward your spine with each knee lift. This continuous engagement helps strengthen your deep core muscles. Complete 3 sets of 20 to 40 seconds each. If you're finding it too challenging, slow down the pace, but maintain the height of your knee lifts. Now let's talk about AB crunches. While they might seem basic, they're incredibly effective when done correctly. This exercise directly targets the muscles that help create that flat stomach appearance you're aiming for. Start by lying on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Place your hands gently behind your head. But here's a crucial tip many people miss. Don't interlock your fingers. This helps prevent pulling on your neck. Now, engage your abs and slowly lift your upper body about 10 to 15 centimeters off the ground. As you lift, focus on rounding your back slightly as you move toward your knees. The real secret to making crunches effective is the mind-muscle connection. Think about your abdominal muscles contracting as you lift. Imagine them shortening like an accordion. Hold this contracted position for 1 to 2 seconds before slowly lowering yourself back down. This controlled movement is what makes the exercise so effective for developing a flat stomach. Perform 3 sets of 15 to 20 repetitions. Remember, it's not about how many you can do, but how well you can do them. Let's enhance our abs workout with bicycle crunches. This exercise is like the traditional crunch's more powerful cousin, targeting multiple areas of your core simultaneously for maximum flat stomach results. Lie on your back with your hands gently supporting your head. Lift your shoulder blades off the ground and bring your knees up to a 90-degree angle. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Extend your right leg out while simultaneously bringing your right elbow toward your left knee. The movement should be smooth and controlled. As you switch sides, focus on the rotation of your torso. This is what makes bicycle crunches so effective for targeting your obliques along with your main abdominal muscles. A common mistake is rushing through the movement. Instead, focus on really rotating through your core, not just your shoulders. Each rotation should be deliberate and controlled. This maximizes the engagement of your core muscles and helps develop that coveted flat stomach. Complete 3 sets of 15 repetitions on each side. If you find yourself losing form, take a quick break and reset. Now it's time for jumping jacks, a full-body exercise that's surprisingly effective for achieving a flat stomach. This classic movement does more than just get your heart rate up. It engages your core throughout the entire exercise. Start by standing straight with your feet together and arms by your sides. As you jump, spread your legs wider than shoulder width apart while simultaneously raising your arms above your head. The key here is engaging your core throughout the entire movement. Think about keeping your abs tight as you jump and land. This engagement is what makes jumping jacks so effective for toning your midsection. One common mistake is letting your form get sloppy as you get tired. Focus on landing softly and maintaining control throughout the movement. Your core should stay engaged even as you begin to fatigue. Perform 3 sets of 40 to 60 seconds each. If you need to modify, you can step out instead of jumping, but keep that core engaged. Finally, here's the hidden gem I promised: the jump rope. This simple yet incredibly effective exercise is often overlooked, but it's absolutely amazing for achieving a flat stomach. The constant movement and stabilization required make it a perfect core strengthening exercise. Start with your feet hip-width apart and knees slightly bent to absorb impact. Hold the handles with a relaxed grip. No need to squeeze them tightly. The magic happens in your midsection. Keep your core engaged as you make small, controlled jumps. You only need to clear the rope by about ½ an inch. Many people jump too high, which reduces the effectiveness. The beauty of jump rope is that it forces you to maintain proper posture while engaging your core muscles continuously. Plus, it's one of the most efficient calorie-burning exercises you can do, which is essential for revealing those toned abs underneath. Perform 3 sets of 30 seconds each. As you get better, focus on maintaining a steady rhythm rather than increasing your speed. There you have it. 7 powerful exercises that will help you achieve a flat stomach in just 1 month. Remember, consistency is key. Perform these exercises regularly, maintain proper form, and combine them with healthy eating habits. You'll be amazed at your transformation. If you're serious about your fitness journey and want more effective home workouts like this one, make sure to join our Lift Learner family by hitting that subscribe button and turning on notifications. Your support means the world to us, and we're committed to helping you reach your fitness goals. Did you find these exercises helpful? Share this video with a friend who's also working on their fitness journey. Sometimes all we need is a workout buddy to stay motivated. Drop a comment below telling me which exercise you'll try first. I personally love the jump rope. It's such a game changer. Don't forget to check out our other workout videos on the Lift Learner channel. We've got plenty of home workout routines waiting for you. Stay strong, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next Lift Learner video. Remember, every rep counts towards your transformation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more effective home workouts. Check out our other videos on screen now for more fitness tips and exercises. See you in the next video.